Hello everyone. Today we have fiery chicken from the south, Chicken Chettinad. This delicious dish is made with freshly ground spices. So before doing that, I'm going to lightly roast them, dry roast them on a tawa. Here I've taken sabut dhania, that is coriander seeds, sauf, that is fennel seeds, sabut kali mirch, that is the peppercorns, whole red chilies, green cardamoms and the cloves. Dry roast all these spices on a low flame, and then you add the desiccated coconut into them and roast this as well till it changes its color. The color has to change just slightly. You'll start getting the aroma of the coconut once it starts changing its color. All this is to be done on a low flame. It is now more or less done. I'm going to remove the tawa from the heat and keep it aside for it to cool completely. Now I'm going to cut one tomato into small pieces. This tomato is also going to be added with the paste. So let me just roughly chop it. So this is done. Now let me see if the roasted masalas have cooled down or not. Yes, they have cooled down, and the next step will be to grind this in a grinder. So you see it has formed a powder. Now I will add in the tomatoes and grind it again into a fine paste. At this point, you may need to add a little water into it to form the paste into a smooth kind of consistency. I did have to add a little water. Now I'll heat a pan and add oil into it, the refined oil, and while that is heating, I'll chop an onion into small pieces for the tempering. The oil is heated. Now I'll add the chopped onions into it. Now I'm going to add curry leaves and again fry it for about 5 minutes on a medium flame. You can see that the onions have changed in color slightly. Now I'm going to add the chicken pieces into this onion. Saute it. Just mix it up properly with the onions, and then I will cover and cook it for 5 minutes. This too on a medium flame. I'll remove the cover after 5 minutes and stir it once again. Now I'm going to add the prepared paste into this chicken and again mix it well. This is the paste in which I have added the roasted spices and the tomatoes. Mix this up very well with the chicken, and then I'm going to add the other spices, that is the turmeric powder or the haldi powder and the red chili powder. Here you can add the normal red chili powder as well as the Kashmiri red chili powder to get that color. And then finally you add the salt as per your taste. Check it in the end. While you are making this paste, you can add ginger and garlic onto it and grind it together. I did not do that because I already have my ginger garlic paste made. So I've added that ginger and garlic paste now, and then I've given it a good mix so that all the masalas get coated with the chicken very well. Now add the water. I've used the same grinder so that the masala can all be used. Nothing goes to a waste. Then mix it up well. When this is done, you will cover it and keep it on a medium flame and cook it for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, you'll remove the cover and stir it again. See that nothing sticks to the bottom. It is already looking so good, isn't it? Now I'm going to add water into it. Now, as you all know, I add hot water. I'll add the water, and then after I mix it up well, I'm going to cover it and cook for about 6 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes on a low flame, low to medium flame. So you see, chicken chettinad is nearly ready. Just before serving, you will add lemon juice onto it and then serve it with hot rice. That is how we have it at our home. So since we are having with rice, this much of gravy is required. You too give it a try. You will love this recipe, I guarantee on it. So here is a treat for your senses, chicken chettinad. I will be adding the ingredient list here, but before that, please do like, comment and share and subscribe if you are new to our channel and hit the bell button. Thank you for staying till the end. Bye-bye.